Hope that's not too was pain there. Oh dear. That'll do. I'm gonna fight it now. Again. And you'll never do it. How are we? We on? Yep. She locked? Nope. She is now. Want to come? She's not the X-Max. Is it bleeping red?
Yes.
Right, this one's bent. Go on, go on, go on, do it again, do it again. Go on, go on. Look at that. Oh dear, oh dear. That is painful.
Yeah, I think that's what's causing it to bite a little bit. At least I hope so. Because if it's not, I don't know what's causing it. I'm gonna have to take all the screws out. I got
well, don't do it now. Do it.
I got no wheel nuts. I got screws that go in through, so I never clamp my wheels ever.
Alright, yeah, I think I saw them last time. Yeah.
Because I just stripped the wheels out on these so much. Oh,
Right.
that smell. Like
Dunno.
handbrake.
Hope it's not me. Right. Nobody's fucking around in here, so. Oops. There's no way this one's going through the grass. I think I'll take her up and down the path. Oops. Do you want a hand?
No, it's fine, I'll put through. Use my little tray on top of the screw all down the next time.
I never drive this one straight. Never go straight.
Senton's definitely not made for a skate park.
What?
The Senton's more like for,
No.
you know, from on the moors going really fast.
Yeah, I'll take it up. Yeah, that's an idea. I'll take it up on the
Give
top.
it like a 2-minute run around the skate park so I can get it going.
What?
Just like,
Senton?
no, just gently. I just wanna
What, this
see-
one?
Yeah, well, drive like around the skate park.
Careful.
I will, don't worry. One thing I'm going to do first is check
Careful.
I'm gonna check your wheels.
Careful. I don't want it bent, alright? Don't bend it. Like you bend everything else. Because I can't afford it to be bent. Thank you. What are you? Oh, alright. Alright.
Because the last thing you want is just fun to
Yeah.
enter because all the way
The last thing you want is when my Senton is 10, 12 feet up in the air, a wheel coming off.
Is this a gentle one?
Gentle. I've seen your gentle.
My gentle is
I think I'll stand up out the way. Red, flashing.
Yeah.
Alright, try it. Otherwise I'll go and get my camera.
Oh, I love the sound of the Senton's tires. Your steering pin is off. See how it's pulling?
What, going to the side? Yeah.
Yeah, from it.
I've never been able to sort that. Yep. Good one.
That's a good one, isn't it?
Oh, you finished? All right, thank
Oh,
you.
do you want me to carry on going?
No, I'll take mine over. I'll take her over there.
this.
Well. Oh dear.
Time to stand on it.
Do you want me to put my 17 and a half on it?
Huh?
Do you want me to put my 17 and a half on it?